In the Computation Lab, numbers come alive. And today, we're powering up the standard algorithm. Ready to multiply like math masters? We're tackling multi-digit multiplication, step by step, neat and powerful.
Can we handle giant numbers without getting lost in the digits?
Absolutely. We'll organize our work by place value and regroup when we need to.
Let's see how it works. Before we start, let's power up our math words. Algorithm, a set of steps to solve a problem. Place value, shows the value of each digit. Regroup, when a product is too large for one place, move it to the next. Zero placeholder, a zero used to hold a place when multiplying by tens or hundreds. These words will guide our multiplication mission.
Let's warm up with a quick example.
Let's multiply 3,426 by 5.
Line it up. Start with the ones place. 5 times 6 equals 30. Write 0. Regroup 3 to the tens place. 5 times 2 equals 10, plus 3 equals 13. Write 3. Regroup 1 to the hundreds place. 5 times 4 equals 20, plus 1 equals 21. Write 1. Regroup 2 to the thousands place. 5 times 3 equals 15, plus 2 equals 17. Answer: 17,130.
Now let's try a 2-digit by 2-digit problem.
Start with the ones place, 6 and 26. 6 times 4 equals 24. Write 4, regroup 2. 6 times 3 equals 18, plus 2 equals 20. That's 204 for the first line.
Next, multiply by the tens place. The 2 in 26 means 20.
When we multiply by 20, each product is 10 times larger. That's why we start the second line one place to the left and add a zero placeholder. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 3 equals 6. That's 680 for the second line. Add them up. 204 plus 680 equals 884.
Let's take it up a level. 123 times 45.
Start with the ones, 5 and 45. 5 times 3 equals 15. Write 5, regroup 1. 5 times 2 equals 10, plus 1 equals 11. Write 1, regroup 1. 5 times 1 equals 5, plus 1 equals 6. That's 615 for the first line.
Now the tens place. 4 in 45 means 40.
When we multiply by 40, every product is 10 times larger. Shift one place to the left and add a zero placeholder to keep the digits in the right column. 4 times 3 equals 12. Write 2, regroup 1. 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. 4 times 1 equals 4. That's 4,920 for the second line. Add them up. 615 plus 4,920 equals 5,535.
Time for a major challenge. 234 times 123.
Start with the ones. 3 means 1. 3 times 4 equals 12. Write 2, regroup 1. 3 times 3 equals 9, plus 1 equals 10. Write 0, regroup 1. 3 times 2 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. First line, 702. Next, the tens place. 2 means 20. Shift left one place, add a zero placeholder, then multiply. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 2 equals 4. Second line, 4,680. Now the hundreds place. 1 means 100. Shift 2 places left, add 2 zeros, multiply. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 2 equals 2. Third line, 23,400. Add them up. 702 plus 4,680 plus 23,400 equals 28,782. Each row shows multiplying by ones, tens, and hundreds. Those zeros keep place values aligned.
Mega multiplication checklist. Line up digits by place value. Start with the ones place. Regroup when needed. Add 0 placeholders for tens and hundreds. Add carefully to get the total.
I forgot a 0, and my answer was way too small.
That 0 placeholder keeps every digit in its correct place. Never skip it. Today we used the standard algorithm for multi-digit multiplication. Kept digits aligned by place value. Solved up to 3-digit by 3-digit problems.